What is important for English speaking? If you want to speak confidently, so what is important to do? So first is you have to do listen properly. Yeah, this is the very important and very necessary point which you have to do. Okay, listen. Whatever you listen, any types of conversation videos, any speech, English speech, any motivation speech, just listen carefully, because when you listen anything, your mind observe, your mind active, your mind embrace. Okay, your mind shape the words, shape the sentences in your brain. That is why just listen carefully. Everything you can listen, maybe podcast, maybe conversation video, maybe solo videos, and maybe grammatical videos. Okay, and maybe story video, whatever you like, just listen every day. Just listen only one video, it is enough for your practice, for your listening. Okay, so this is the most thing which I observed. Okay, and another thing is I observed a lot of learners, they are just reading books. They have so many grammar books, story books, and sentence book. Okay, but they are just listening, they are just reading, they are working a lot, but they are not practicing. They are not doing shadowing, they are not try to face strangers. They are just thinking, and they are just listening, sorry, they are just reading books. Okay, so this will not help a lot, because if you are just read or just read pages and pages, but you are not applying in your daily life, you are not using the word, the sentences in your daily life, in your daily conversation, so that will not help you. That will take a long time to improvement, to speak English. So this is the major fact you have to improve, you have to embrace. Okay, so just uh, speak. Okay, speak. And if you are not comfortable to speak with strangers, speak with your partner, if you speak with your co-learners, then just start talking to yourself, start talking to yourself into the mirror. This is the biggest method, and many people, many learners, they are doing this method. Okay, and another thing is you have to just speak loudly. When you speak loudly, your mouth will work, your mouth will try to comfortable that word, that sentence, your brain also active. A lot of things, a lot of situation, it will create at that time when you speak any word. So speak loudly, then you can hear that voice. Okay, your voice. This is a very important, and this is a myth to improve English and get confidence in English. Okay, so speak loudly. Whenever you get free time, whenever you get any new sentence, new word, just try to use that word into your daily life. Okay, and I think five words every day you have to apply in your daily life, and you have to speak. Okay, every day just do these things, and after passing 1 month, 2 months, you will realize, you will know a lot of new words. Okay, you will know a lot of new sentences in your mind. That will help to a lot. And also I am doing this method. Okay, and next thing is consistency, because many learners, they are thinking, today I learned one page, two page, today I learned something new, then they stop, then they miss their day to learn. Okay, so this is the break your consistency. So you please, you should maintain your consistency, because when you do anything just by consistency, that will become a your daily life habit. So please be continue, be consistent. Whatever you do, please continue. Speak every day, do practice every day, and one video you have to just watch, listen very carefully. Okay, and please start talking to with people, real people, not just AI, not just chat GPT, not just any online apps. You have to talk with real partners, with real person, maybe strangers. because when you talk with real person, you uh, you know you will face so many things. You will face a lot of things. Your mind, it's automatically working on that time, and your mouth searching new words, what I can speak, what I can speak fast. And you will get confidence also. So as well as read, write. Not writing is not so important, but writing is also important, because writing takes time to think. So you can, if you want to embrace your writing skills, so you can write. But if you want to just speak, then you can start talking with people, listening and watching, and start talking with real person. Okay, so these are the most important with which everyone they can do, and everyone should do for improve and for get confidence in English language. Okay, so now, and in my case, I could not speak before learning English, so I can speak. But nowadays I am just breaking my consistency, because of I was busy, and I was busy just for a wedding. And that is why I'm not so consistent. I can't upload videos. I could not upload videos on my YouTube channel, so sorry for that, because a lot of things, many reasons behind it, and I don't want to, like, make excuse. Okay, I don't want to give any excuse about just my personal things, because learning is so important. Nothing is important to just compare your learning. Okay, if you a student, if you want to learn, so you have to maintain every day, every day. Okay, but in my case it is a very compulsory, that is why I was busy. But if you don't get any kind of situation, so please don't break your consistency. Okay friends, so I hope you like it my video. If you like it, then please do like, share, subscribe, and I'll catch you in my next video. Till then, take care, have a nice day, bye bye.